Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tereese and you're here at Tea Friday 77. I just thought I'd throw that in there. Today I wanted to come on real quick to share my Crafty Dare, and I'm really pleased how this Crafty Dare turned out. I think there was another one. I think the first two that I wasn't very happy with, but I'm pretty proud of myself with this one. I made a card for this Crafty Dare, and we had to, it was an ocean theme, and you had to use foam pieces, and you had to use sequins. So this is my card that I made, and I used a Julie Nutting die, and let me see if I have it here. It's probably in my pile of stuff. So I used this doll. Well, I used the die, not the doll. And I actually cut her body off. But I cut her out of foam. Let me see if I have some leftover white foam to So here's the foam that I cut her out. Okay, and this foam, it's thin foam, and I had it in my stash for a while, and I wanted to use some of it. So I after I cut out the tail, I cut her body off. I flipped it upside down, and then I just started gluing this sequence. Where is my, I have this container from the Dollar Tree, and I have all my sequins in there by color, and I pulled it out and I'm like, oh my gosh, these are perfect colors for her tail. And that's what I did. So I'm going to show you the foam piece. So you know I used a foam, and I layered all the sequins, and it's just really sparkly and really pretty. I had a sticker set from another project that's still in the works. I made some more Julie Nutting tags. It was a summer themed set of 2 tags. Anyway, I'll show that in a different video, but anyway, it came from that sticker pack, and it says, "This is the life," and I used some paper from my stash. It's kind of like a map, and I figured with the brown tones of the just made this tail really stands out, and I really love how that turned out. And then I don't know who I'm giving this card to, but this is my Crafty Dare for this week. So if you want to join in on the Crafty Dare on Instagram, you would have to, I believe you would have to contact Tina, who's Tell Him Thank You here on YouTube, and she will connect you, I guess, on Instagram, and we show our projects there. I do a video because I wanna share how I did it and stuff. I mean, I haven't done a video on Instagram as of yet, and I don't know if I will, but anyway, so yeah, so that is my dare for this week, and hopefully we'll have more participants come and join us on Instagram. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.